Usually these parquet floorboards go together really well, but sometimes when I buy differing batches, and these ones have been on the back wall for maybe 12 months now, around about 12 months, and this little offcut here is from a batch I bought the other day. They just don't seem to marry up. Obviously the machines are must be set slightly different in the factory, or indeed they may even come from a different factory. So sometimes when you put boards together from different batches, you've just got to ease the tongue, but here the tongue is already fixed to the wall. So I really need to just slightly open up that groove. Now I could do that on the table saw, and to do this, Evolution have sent me a new little gadget. So let's have a look at this in this short video. So this is the long anticipated shark fin riving knife for the Evolution R255 saw. Now I know they've had it on their website for a while, but I managed to get my hands on one over the Christmas period. It's been sat on the bench ever since. Hopefully it'll be a straightforward fit, and it means for the first time I can actually cut over the top of the blade and do a bit of grooving or indeed rebating. I want this for a much more complicated project that I will come on to soon in this barn renovation. Today is just a perfect way just to open that groove up at the back of the board. This is the lazy way to take the riving knife and crown guard off. There we go, there we go. It's ever such a little bit shorter than the top of the blade, I think. Yeah, maybe 4 or 5 millimeters short on the top of the blade. Now it's a little bit awkward for me to work in here today on the saw because I've got the tractor in here and the insulation on top of the tractor. That's because it's pouring outside, sadly. But I only need to machine this thing. It's a couple of foot long, so it'll be fine just to do this piece. Now, just before I strike this up and use it, I just want to say that I'm a firm believer of keeping your crown guard on. And when you're running things over the top of the blade like this, you've got an unguarded blade. Yes, the riving knife will help as normal with any binding taking place and any kickback. It's guarding the back of the blade so something can't hit the back of the blade, piece of offcut, and then the blade pick it up and fire it at you. But you have got an unguarded part of the blade, so you've got to be very mindful of that when you're using blades without the crown guards on. Right, that's the health and safety police stuff done. Let's make a cut. See if it fits now. Take a whisker off more off the back. Perfect. Right, so as I said, a little short video just about the shark fin riving knife for the Evolution 255. Thank you for Evolution for sending it, and I would say use it for very specific projects and keep your longer riving knife on with the crown guard for general purpose usage. Right guys, I'll see you later. Bye.